Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the latest tools and features that make our lives as developer easier and more efficient. Today we are diving deep into some fantastic new features in Visual Studio that will supercharge your coding journey. The first new feature is brace pair colorization. Have you ever found yourself lost in a sea of code trying to match up those elusive braces, parentheses, or brackets? It's a common struggle, and that's where Visual Studio's new brace pair colorization feature comes to the rescue. Let's take a closer look. To use this new feature, first you need to enable it. Open Visual Studio and load your code project. Go to the Tools menu and select Options. In the search toolbar, just search for Brace Pair and look for something like click on the General first, and yeah, there is an option for Enable Brace Pair Colorization. Just enable it and press on OK. There you have it. As you scroll through your code, you will notice that opening and closing braces, parentheses, or brackets are automatically color-coded to the match. Let's move on to our next exciting feature, Quick Add. Time is of the essence of every developer, and that's why we are thrilled to introduce you to Quick Add. It's a game changer for your workflow. While working in Visual Studio, simply just press Ctrl Shift A. The Quick Add dialog will appear, allowing you to enter the name and location of the file or class you want to create. For example, let's say we need to create a new controller. Simply press Ctrl Shift A, and inside of this dialog box we can put our control name, like uh, I'll use customer controller. You can also change the location of this new file. For example, if I write here new, this will create a new folder and then my new class. You can also use this quick add to create some interfaces. I user, for example, and here you are. This new object will be as an interface. So our third new feature is compare with Solution Explorer. Managing large codebases with numerous files and dependencies can be challenging. But fear not, Visual Studio has your back with the Compare with Solution Explorer feature. For using this new feature, simply click on the file or folder in the Solution Explorer and select Compare with. You can choose a file. Let's say you have an old project and you want to compare this new file with another file from your old code base. If you choose, for example, one file, and at the result you can see the differences between these two files. And now let's dive into code cleanup feature. A remarkable feature in Visual Studio designed to help you maintain consistent code style and formatting across your project. Visual Studio provides a code cleanup feature that helps you maintain consistent code style and formatting across your projects. It allows you to automatically apply code style from an editor config file or from the code style options page. You can run code cleanup on your entire project or on individual file. There are a couple of ways to achieve and run your code cleanup. One of the simplest one is using an icon. It's like a broom icon here. If you click on that icon, it will execute code cleanup for you. Also, there are some profiles here. You can configure your profile, you can edit them, you can add a new profile, add a new role, for example, and have a new config. And at the end, if you just click on that prompt, it will execute that profile. For example, here we have an extra using. If I click on that prompt, it will remove that using. Starting with Visual Studio 2022 version 17.1 preview 2, you can even enable automatic code cleanup when saving a file. This feature ensures that your code is formatted correctly and your code style preferences are applied. To have it and enable it, simply go to the Tools menu and again select the options. In the search toolbar, search for code clean, and there is an option you can select your profile. Here, for example, here I have two profiles, and when I check the checkbox and select the OK, whenever I press Ctrl S or save my changes, it will execute that specific profile. Throughout the video, we use real-world coding scenarios and practical demonstration to showcase the power of these Visual Studio features. You have now gained an understanding of how to use them effectively, helping you streamline your development process and keep your codebase clean. And that wraps up today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Share your thoughts in the comments, and till next time, happy coding.